live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. We make no claims of profitability, and we're drinking water today. That's kind of sucks, but I said I would do it, so I'm doing it. Let me do a sound check. Give me a few minutes. And once I'm up and I do my sound check, sounds good. My eye is itchy. How does an eye get itchy? Is that a bad sinus? Okay. What do we got going? Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Hey, OFT, good morning. I just sat down. You look good. That's funny. Oh my God. I was going to say, did nothing happen? But I'm not even connected. Thank you very much, Mr. OFT. You're looking good today, too. Okay, sound is working. I don't need that on anymore. I do have to review my risk plan, and I'll tell you why. Because today I am trading larger size on my 250K accounts. And, oh no, just on one of them. Just on one of them. So, what do I mean by larger size? 1 lots and 2 lots. Minis. I'm going to assume that the sound continues working. Close the phone. Yes, trading minis today. I'm going to set up a chart somewhere. Anyways, I have time. I have 10 minutes. Let's do a little quick analysis of what we're looking at. If we fail today, there's not much support. Yeah, I heard actually what Chip was saying the same thing yesterday, I think, saying that it's a long way down. Take a look at the daily. That's not the best. Hold on. First off, my ATR is taking way too much space. Yeah, we have that double bounce, that double touch. That double touch over there. Look out below. That's basically what we might be looking at today. 15-minute chart. You know the routine. Well, we didn't break Asia highs. We got awful close. I don't know if that counts. Anyways, doesn't matter. If we did, then since we broke the lows also, we're most likely heading for the London highs. And we can also be thinking about a gap fill. Who knows? Anything can be in store today. Gap fill. Then we rotate lower. I'm not forming any biases. I'm just going to trade with the flow. Trade price action the way I read it and the way I see it. And go with that. 8 points. Wow, we just keep hugging VWAP. I want to open the chart. It's not going to look good for you guys here, but give me a second. Wow, how many times we went above VWAP by about 20 points, 10 points, and then just went back under it again. Okay, sorry. over 300 and holding. We're trying to be bullish. Long way to there also. Oh yeah, I didn't even look at that direction. You're right. You're right. You're right. But in order to go a long way, we need volatility, and right now we don't have it. So maybe today is not the best day to start what I wanted to do, but nah, I think that account's got to be traded that way all the time. So regardless, let me get a few things set up over here. OFT, you know what I'm going to say on your stream, right? You set yourself up for it. My account, not my account, my computer's lagging today. Oof, so this is gonna be hard. Wow, I missed a whole bunch of messages. Low volatility is good for shorts. Also, no news. I was streaming yesterday. I got a case of the giggles. I had to shut down the camera, get up, and go throw cold water in my face. I couldn't get it under control, but I'm scared short after this sell. Would like to see longs trap first. Look what I got. I think I'm going through higher stress. I pulled this out, but I Googled it. And not Googled it, I chat GPT'd it. It's only a half a calorie a squeeze. So I'm not going to lose weight using it. Oh, I know why I'm slow. I have some extensions running in Chrome that are making things slow. Funny, funny. Might be Dave Pace's key, 355 gap fill. That might be the first to watch. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling off today. I think, like you said there, what did you say? Something about slow? Take it slow. Patience is key. That's what it's gonna be. Patience is key for me. Let me get my strategies going. One, fair value gaps. Are we gonna open already? I think I got the giggles again still today. Okay. My shitty glass of water. Cheers. You know what I just noticed? I just noticed. Really? Are you kidding me? Ah. I should actually pay attention to my stream. Hold on, where's the damn? Is everything working? I did a sound check, right? We got that out of the way. I got my chat working. I don't know. I'm kind of taking my hand off the mouse here. I don't think I'm already. Inside bar. Opening drive trader on 102. Let's get to 102. And let's put on the split screen. We're ready to go. I like the opening trade. So what would be half if I'm doing one? Let's say 60%. That's 6 lot. That's it, really? Okay, I'll take a 6 lot. Shorted 73. I'm shorted 72.25. That's not bad. I'm a little slow there. I wanted to cover a little bit at 66. Hey, Dave. Just so you guys know, my target is $1,000 on this account. The one that I'm trading right now that's up already 101. $135, $137. That's good for the first trade. It was a little conservative. I should have made a lot more. But the idea is not to take all the trades. It's just to take a couple of good trades, actually. Although I do like the open, so I do consider those good trades. We might get another setup here. Well, since my target is 1,000 in the day and I'm at 286 in the first 2 minutes, that's 30% in the first 2 minutes. I guess I'm gonna slow it down now because, again, remember what I said? The goal is the goal is 1,000 on this account for the day. Let's see, opening drive. Opening drive should be pulling out 40 points on most trades, and there's the 40 points. So that's pretty good. That was an easy trade too. I should have been thinking about that. Let's watch for the first inside bar on the Nasdaq also. But I traded scared. See, I'm still trading small. Like, I don't want to get into a hole in the morning. Just the way last week when I was starting with 2 lots, wow, we're dumping hard. Last week when I was starting with 2 lots on my big account, well, I'm supposed to trade it larger, and I started with 6 lots and 7 lots, and it's supposed to be 15. I'm curious. I didn't run my numbers. I don't even, wow, look at that dump. Shit. That could have been my day right there. Problem is I got to do it every day. You know what? I don't need to put my water over there. Well, the volatility is picking up. 27 points is the range on the 1-minute candles. Remember how I read it on the 15-minute chart, since we didn't take out the highs of the Asian session. I guess it's a higher probability that we just trade lower today. Well, it's just sinking. That was a pretty solid decline. Okay. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm closing it. I made a mistake. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take a mistake on the losing trade. I made a mistake. I made $100. Huh? You can't ask for better than that. Maybe 8 lots. Jesus. You know what an 8 lot is? An 8 lot is my regular size. Now I said I was going to go at least double. I don't have the numbers in my head. You know what? My brain is still on my other numbers. Well, there's a fill of the first FVG. That wasn't an inside bar. Well, still watching the opening drive. I want to see the opening drive have a huge day today. I want to see it wipe out last week's losses. 5 losing days in a row. I've never seen that happen before. It's gonna be it's gonna be a little mental battle for me today. I gotta be careful. Because my brain is saying I'm up 300, protect it. That was a bad 576, 60% of my goal in 7 minutes. I should have been at 300% my goal, but I am trading scared. Actually, I'm not trading scared. I'll tell you what's happening. I'm not getting my good fills. I'm not getting good fills. I'm getting in 3 seconds inside bar. I'm going to take an inside bar on my other account for a 5 lot. The fair value gap held, so what? Fair value gap. I trade ICT, baby. I invented ICT. Let's go. Break the low of the inside bar. Don't give me 2 inside bars. Actually, don't stop me out over here on topstep. Man, no. Inside bar, actually. Okay, I got to cover that one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hopefully we get down to 61 and 61 holds. I'm watching for that. It does. Shit, you see it's going fast and I'm not getting opportunity to cover. Really? This one's down 400? It's okay. I hope this one goes. Am I out of sync here? It's almost as if my prices don't make sense. It's hard to tell, but I'm thinking maybe it's possible my Apex quotes are opening drive, still short. I still want to see us recover all of last week's losses. How much? Let's say we lost. Let's average it. Let's say we lost. Oh no, that's bad, eh? Did we lose? No, we didn't lose 70 points on it. Let's say we lost 50 points on 250 points. We're 100 points. Okay, I'll say it another 100 points if I take it. Yes, I see. Wow, it's getting a lot of entries. It's getting a lot of entries. I think I gotta watch. I think I just gotta watch the top step charts, because even just going up and down like that is causing me to miss my entries. We didn't take out the low there at 934-ish. Let's say that's 931, 32, 934, 935. Usually we poke through it by 5 points. That was surprising. Yeah, I see what's happening. 40, 47. I'm having a hard time getting my fills. That's what's happening. Gonna get it again. Hey, Sparky. Still no good. It's like I'm not getting the price. I'm thinking I might have to reboot. I'm gonna do a one lot here because I want to see what's happening. 41, 42, 44, and yeah, 44.75. That was fine. I mean, it's only a one lot. I'll hold it for 10 points there. It was only a one lot. Wow, they're all nice trades. Let me all nice trades. Just gotta hold. Just gotta hold. Break in the low, 934, 935. This is usually a fade trade right here. I'm not taking it, but I've just seen this happen too many times. Okay, you know what I'm going to take? If we get 300 points on the opening drive, I'm taking it. And I got to take my hand off the mouse and yeah. So that fade trade wasn't good. The inside bar, the way I trade inside bars, no, I don't use it. You know what? I don't trade inside bars often enough. So, but it's usually the original that we follow. Why is the indicator still on? Let's take a quick look and see what Crude's doing. Crude didn't have any trades. That was fast. And the algo, well, we don't have to guess. The algo has just been short. It's just been riding short. I'm only up 100 on this account, the one that I'm trading right now, or I'm going to trade. And you see, every trade I'm taking, I'm worried is going to be a loser. Not a good feeling. Trading nervous today. I guess it's to be expected. I told myself I'm going to trade larger size today on the 250K accounts. It's to be expected. But I lowered it back down to 5 lots on the micros. I guess like a 10 lot and see what happens. I got out quick. I'm going to let this one go, though. 1, 7. 14. Got my finger on the close, but if it goes, I got the 1 lots, I'm getting out. I'm getting out. Market's probably not the best thing to get out. Oh, almost got out. Almost clicked the close button, but the bid wasn't able to hold. It's trying again. I'm going to take a little bit off because it's looking like it's trying to. There we go. It looked like it was trying to go a little bit higher. I can't call this a swing low, a higher swing low. I got to say, we're still just trading lower. Bear flag. I was trading bear flags quite successfully last night, even though it didn't show up in the numbers. Let's put in a bear flag there. I got to take a quick close look and see. This is a short again. No, that was not clear. Woo, woo. You know what that noise is? That noise is Mikey not comfortable trading larger size, and I'm hardly trading larger size. Let's see us break lower. Got my finger on the buy bid. Let's get down to 12. 12 on the bid. But I also have now my finger on the close button. That's it, close. That was going to be an expensive trade. I'm not counter trend trading. And I think I'm only going to take the, oh, well, that answers my question. I was going to say, I'm only going to go long when I have both the algo and topstep in agreement. And I do right now. I do. They're in agreement. Take my hand off the mouse. Let's wait for a little bit of a retrace. That's disappointing if opening drive trader. Do we have the, yeah, we do. I wanted to make sure we had it up on the charts. Wood chip long, yeah, maybe the bulls are coming into play now, huh? That's it. The Bears had their 15 minutes of fame. And boom, boom, there she goes. 100 points. 18,980 to 19,080, eh? Wood chip, wood chip, wood chip. I feel like we were trading until 3 in the morning because we didn't fall asleep until I didn't fall asleep until 3 in the morning. Okay, that's a fair loss. I'll take it. Yeah, I didn't fall asleep until 3 in the morning. So I feel like I was trading till 3 in the morning. Let's go. Let's get over 68. Oh, wow, that ad was very bad. That ad was bad. That ad was bad. I get out. 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 I'm probably going to leave a lot of meat on the bone on this one, but I get out. No adding? Damn right. You're right. You're right. That was poor trading. That takes 10 points off my score for today. Yeah, I'm freestyling it. You know why? Because I'm trading a little scared. What's going on in here? In where? What's going on? I don't know. What's going on? What's going on? I know that song. That's a song by Four Non-Blondes. I'm not going to sing it, though. Yeah. No, you're right. You're right. You're right. What I was doing is I was clicking twice because I wasn't getting proper fills. It really seemed like, and I'm still thinking that I'm out of sync with 87. Um, Out of sync with the top step quotes. I don't know which one's right and which one's wrong. So I'm actually purposely double clicking when I'm adding, not buying the breakout. Is that a question or a statement? Sounds like a question. Not buying the breakout? That's very disappointing for the opening range breakout trader. Shit, it was up 130.030. It was up 150 points. Yeah. I was hoping it was going to get 200 or 300 points and make the whole week's losses from last week back, but we have the whole week. Wow. Nice recovery. Now we can go here and we can open it up. Can I get a toothache from drinking water? Okay, I got to sit on my hands because I'm getting a little bit of FOMO. I want to jump in here. I'm cold. I put way too much ice in the water. It's winter. It's already ice water coming out of the taps. I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe I should just fight for price. The 96. Uh-oh. Long 2 micros. $28. I guess there's a reason why I'm seeing that it's fast. It's because the range is high, 28 points. Go big or go home. The account that's up 576. It's supposed to go for, the target is $1,000 a day. We were talking about it yesterday. I'm supposed to be trading 10, 15, or 20 micros. Only supposed to be taking a couple of trades per day. So I'm waiting now for, like some solid setup. One, I want to see it calm down a little bit. It's a little too erratic right now, the markets. I'm not getting good fills. I'm happy that I got ahead 576. I'm still going to try for 1,000 today. $19,290 is half gap. Is it really that far away? Wow. No, can't be half gap. Oh, you're right. Yeah. Sorry. The algo could be setting up to take a trade. We would need a bullish candle. Okay, I'm going to try and enter on this one. The size that I'm supposed to be trading. Nah, don't stop me out. Come on. No adding, though. And it didn't go right away, so I lightened the load. Well, what's happening is I am treading water again. Up and down, up and down, up and down. I should almost just take it and call it quits, or maybe just trade smaller. It's true. Thanks for reminding me. I didn't look at the 5-minute charts. Okay. Nasdaq is quite a bit weaker compared to the ES. At least that's the way I'm reading it. We don't need to really, yeah. Oh, wow. Really? What happened? Give me a second. Am I long just a 3? I'm not even watching the charts. My template is wrong for, there we go. Get out, because my template was wrong. I don't know why it's not showing hold. What hold? Nah, it's making mistakes. 38 minus 31. Double click, that was an accident. I'll get out a piece. Hello, Alex. So let me turn the mic off. Give me a second, guys. I'll be back. Uh, 30-point range on the 1 minute candles.
I don't do rank codes.
Oh, no more. That's it,
Yeah,
though.
I'm just waiting for David's thing. Anyways, I'm only on my laptop, so I can't really do fast stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah, send me all that. But where do you do your colonoscopy?
Hold on. Don't want to talk medical. I'm back. I'm back. Should I be happy already with how my day went? What do you say? Wood chip? 900. Or should I just rotate accounts? Or take the day off? What do you think? Did it break the open? Did we break the open? Almost got there. VWAP is near, so maybe we make a run for VWAP. Now I have a valid swing to work with. Supposed to be long at 24. I'm long at 23.75. So happy with that. Yeah, let's make a run up. I got my finger on the close button. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to try and fight for price if I get stopped out. That was a beautiful ad right there. Don't like the trade. Got out. Got out. Sorry. Now it's back above where I entered. Wow, that was close. That was exciting. 10 points higher than my entry already, almost, it looks like. Coming up on 14 points. Weak hands today. There we go. Now we got the exit. We can have another entry. I think we're going to make a run for VWAP. Sold 2. I'll go and sell the ask for another one at 45. If I see 45 flash, 46. I wanted 45 to flash. I'm out. Next one is 52, if possible. 52, 48. I'll take 48. What the hell? Give me 48. There we go. And the last one, I'm going to let go to VWAP. Last one, I'm going to let go to VWAP. Let's have a VWAP kiss right there. I'm going to front run it a little bit. There's the VWAP kiss that I was expecting, even though I got out a little earlier. Oh, just lowered my volume by accident. Be bold and hold. I don't have a be bold and hold system, though. That's the problem. Just because it didn't work in low volume doesn't mean it won't work now. Hold on. Let me get ready to go long again a 5 lot in case it enters. Oh, no. I caught myself. There is a rule on my risk plan. If there is a reason not to take a trade, don't take the trade. Going long right into VWAP is a reason not to take. Renkos have nothing to do with time. Renkos are strictly price. Hey, good morning, Joker. Joker, I was wondering, I was hearing there's I didn't look, so forgive me. I was hearing there's a pretty strong ice storm going on in the southeast. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. I was thinking maybe it's the ice storm. Like I said, I saw a quick clip on the news, but I didn't see where it was. I didn't know if it was here in Canada they were talking or in the US. It's somewhere. Some people are getting wrecked with an ice storm. At least it was yesterday. Well, I was living in a simulation yesterday, to be honest with you. I can find it and show it to you. My cameras just suddenly moved, even though they're locked. Everything is locked. They suddenly just relocated in a new position. What could that be? What could that be? I don't know. I mean, I never really had that problem. So long at 52, I'm long at 53.50. See, another shitty fill. So I'm lightening up. Let's see if we can get up to 59. 59 on the bid, 54. You know what, on the offer. 52. Yeah, no, this doesn't make sense. 53. The charts are not in sync. I'm slowly wiggling out of this trade. Yeah, you manifested. You put it into the universe. Joker, I don't know. There's really nothing that I could see. If I were to be troubleshooting that, I mean, certainly I would play with a whole bunch of settings, but after that, I would do a reinstall. Just make sure you save all your scenes and your sources. If you do go that route. Okay. If the 45 bid holds, I'm going to try and get back in. Hey, for a change, I got a better price. 42.50. For a change, I got a better price. You know what? But I'm going to sell one more, and then on the other one, I'm going to dump it on VWAP. Unless we get down to 35. Actually, if we get to break even, I'm going to dump it. I'm not going to take a lot. That's it. Good enough. Really, I didn't do anything on that. Didn't go anywhere. I had my work computer freeze up, and then my phone wouldn't receive texts, and then last was on my laptop to get emails on my laptop wouldn't reboot. Mercury's in retrograde. There we go. Now we're moving up to VWAP. I remember. The last time we had higher volatility, I remember what I said to myself. I said I need to increase the size of the Renko boxes. It's the movement I'm seeing on the charts that's scaring me out of my trades, not making me want to hold. What do we got? That was a bull flag. Why do I still? I mean, a bear flag. Why do I still have that? Actually, what I should have been doing after we crossed the swing, I should have been drawing bull flags, and we had two of them that were nice. Anyways. Oh no, it's breaking that trend line. Better redraw it. Who's the comedian? Price action is fluid, Woodchip. It's not static, it's dynamic. We have to constantly be readjusting our analysis. But everything is short anyways. Trend lines, I'm learning. I'm trying to learn how to use them. Actually, I am trying to use them. More than trying to learn how to use them. But it's a combination of the two. It's a combination of the two. Primarily, we got the top step charts and the algo. Those are both short now. And now I have confirmation with that trend line, with the slope. I think it's kind of the deal breaker, but it's something I would use at night, definitely. In the evening session. Definitely something I would use in the evening session. I'm an idiot. Am I an idiot? No, hold on. I'll tell you if I'm an idiot. I'm wondering why I'm not seeing the trades. It's because they are being taken on Sim 101, not on Sim 102. Sim 102 is for the opening drive. Woodchip, you should have known that. You should have told me. Today is not a day for me to use automated trade management strategy. Okay, broke a swing there. We closed below it. I'm bearish. I'm bearish for now, and my cat is... Yeah, we did. Good call. I have a rule about the first touch of the open? No. That does not sound familiar. I don't have a lot of rules. Okay, what's going on my charts here? Ah, global is set. I was so confused. I had put on my global crosshairs. Previous high for, oh, entry. If you want to go short, and well, in this case, if I have a bearish bias, it's going to be the break of the low of the previous candle. But we're going to need, yeah, that's exactly, yeah. Didn't have to do with the open though. I had to do just with the previous candle on the 1 minute charts. So basically, if I had a bullish bias here, and I were to draw my little flag here, or yeah, bull flag, I would enter on the break of the high of the previous candle. Same thing over here, a little bullish flag, enter on the break of the previous candle. So since I'm bearish and we get a little bear flag here, now the entry would be on the break of the low of the previous candle, but I want to see at least 2 or 3 candles for the flag. Oh, wait, I'll get to that. No, that's the, I'm not supposed to be long, short yet. Now I am supposed to be short, and I missed it. Poor execution. Poor execution. Get out. No, it's on the 15-minute chart. I say if you break the Asia high and then you break the Asia low on the 15-minute chart in the overnight session, if you did a 1-2 tap, expect a 1-2-3. So if it's high and low, expect it to be high, low, high. And if it's low, high, expect it to be low, high, low. If you get what I mean. Well, that was a trade worth 14 points. I tried to get in for a 5 lot. That could have been worth 140. Just sitting here waiting. I guess watching and waiting for my next retrace and continuation. Eh. We're getting there, eh? I think your fair value gap wood chip, I think it's 190068, somewhere around there. You're thinking, yeah, 19070. Okay, I'm gonna have a potential entry again. Let's see if we can get at least a two candle pullback or retrace here. Yeah, I'm seriously disorganized here. I'm seriously disorganized. My brain's working in slow motion. And for fast markets, your brain can't work in slow motion. I realized that I haven't been trading my topstep account. So I had a kind of entry at the proper price. I took it. In the meantime, I missed an entry on my Apex accounts. Here we go. Do a single micro for life. I don't even know what that means. You mean hold it forever? You can't. It'll get auto liquidated at 5 p.m. Yeah, no, I have to realize that I'm off today. If I was playing baseball, I'm swinging the bat after the ball is in the catcher's mitt. Actually, I'm so slow. I think I'm swinging the bat after the umpire makes the call. That's how slow I am. Does it hurt? Nothing hurts the stream. How can it hurt the stream? You can't get lower than I am. You can delete anything you want. Have a good time. Besides that, remember yesterday we were having some serious retraction action? I think you deleted like 8 messages in a row. Yeah, tomorrow water, but no ice in the water. It's making me shiver. I made it way too cold, especially for winter time. And I was going to open the window. It's a good thing David said no. Okay, this one don't need any more. Let's try to keep wood chip. Do we have an SMT? Look at the ES compared to the NQ. Let me change my cursor. Not even watching the markets. We broke this swing high over here on the ES. We broke the swing high over here. Here we didn't. Not even close. Yeah. Do you remember before I said the NQ is looking relatively weaker today? IB will be forming soon. That's 1.5. I'll take 2. 2 off. Let's see if we can get another 10 points from here. Let's see if we can get down to 47 on the, at least on the offer. If we can get down to 47 on the offer, I guess I'll take another 2 out. Room temperature water. Well, I'm not doing it to hydrate. I just want to stop with the coffee. I don't know. I didn't promise a big bounce. I didn't promise anything. It's not going. Got my finger on the close. 75 bid holds. I got to get out. We're awful close. Wow, that was fast. Anyways, I did my best. Won't one. Well, we're getting a bounce here. That's a nice candle. I don't know what the damage was on that account, on that trade, I mean. I'm not taking the short. Like I know which ones are going to make money and which ones aren't, eh? Like I said, I'm just trading scared. I'm taking my hand off the mouse. Taking my hand off the mouse. I'll watch the next one. I'll let the next one go without me, if it does. It's short. It's short. So now this would be the case here, wood chip, where I would say, hey, look at that. I stayed out. How much more can I ask for? I stayed out of a loser. So yeah, we would have to break the, right now, if I'm considering that a bear flag. Who's that, bro? Who's who? Well, one of my kids, I guess, either David or Alex, walking around, or someone that's gonna stab me in the neck. Really? It's not one of my brothers? One of my brothers, one of my sons? Has to be one of my sons. Remember, I have two of them. Oh, that's OFT. I don't get it, though. He's not behind me. But how is he on the stream? Ah, I know. Am I on the three charts? Yeah, I moved him onto the three chart view right there. Let me see. He'll be on the bottom now. Yeah, there he goes. OFT. I'm listening to Only Futures Trader. It's okay. The world is a big place. There's a lot of love to go around. I don't know why everyone doesn't do it, to be honest with you. Okay, ES is making new highs on the 5-minute. And breaking initial balance, right? Yep. And Q, just trying to break VWAP. Maybe. Maybe. No, not breaking VWAP. He's done. I guess he's done. Is that my, yeah, he closed up. Okay, the algo is long. I guess I will take, oh, we're right at VWAP. Again. Holy shit. Holy shit. Nobody screamed green background on the 1-minute chart? Seriously? How did he do? I don't know. It's, it's hard to concentrate. Like I said, I'm kind of sleeping here. My head's not in the game. Told you, it's like I'm swinging the bat after the umpire calls the pitch. Strike! And then I swing. I am way off today. Way off. like I don't know where to look. Don't know which buttons to click. Coffee withdrawal. No, I don't think so. Not yet. Possibly doing too many things. I'm thinking maybe I shouldn't be switching my OBS screens as much as I do. I should just stick with what I have. You know, going from the split screen to the 5-minute, and I don't, yeah, trade well, sir. Uh-oh. Yeah, I should start. Did you catch that trade? Just curious. At 10:33. TT? TT? Gonna call you TT. Gonna call you Titty for short. No, it was very... okay. I didn't even have it up on my charts. That's funny. Well, if I saw it, I would have taken it, but I was on the 5-minute charts, given at some point I'm right. Oh, shit. Oh, top step trade. Top step trade. Order filled. Had to stop trading. Started to be too impatient. One payout today, but took 2 max dailies after I thought I should stop. Yeah, I think I should do what you did. Or, yeah, do what you did. I'm closing my top step trade. I'm off today. Thankfully, my numbers are green. Go for it, wood chip. Well, I avoided a lot of losers. I'm due for one. I hope we don't catch one, but... Is this a new version of that melody? I have no idea. I don't even hear it. It's much louder, I guess, on the chat. But no, not a new version. I didn't do any... Maybe I'll raise my speaker. I didn't do any remixing or song creation, so it's the old one. Anybody have any advice? I give myself advice. So I don't even have a SIM account. I need to create... I need to create a Sim 103, and I'll tell you why. Sim 102 trades opening drive. Sim 101 trades the reflex algo. If we reclaim VWAP 355 under 190, we can see close to 700. Deal me in. It's not on. You want me to turn it on? That's true. If I have it on the banner, I guess I gotta turn it on. I'll turn it on. Give me a... Did I break it? Wait, I clicked it. Turning it on. I don't know how long it takes. My computer is slow today. There you go. You're ready to go. Longs feel too scared. Yes. I'm selling early on every one of my trades, but not just selling. I'm covering early. Yeah, I did. I choose my own code. I argued and I negotiated with them. It took a week, but finally they gave me a custom code, HTUMDGDM. That's what I was saying yesterday. You can even use it on the other prop accounts, but on the other prop firms, but it won't work. Yeah, I got a code. I got a code. Sure, wood chip. I'll let you know how much I get. I'm curious myself. Sorry, OFT. I didn't answer your question. Can you choose your own code? Yeah, after $100 in commissions. You can have your custom code after $100 in commissions. That's what Apex told me. I paid for Patree's vacation using his code. Hold on, there's going to be a trade. Did he say thank you? No trade yet. Yeah, I like Apex. Like I said, they've been good to me. Bulenox. I like Bulenox fresh squeeze shorts, but still haven't even requested a payout from Bulenox, so I still don't know. Remember, it was a while back I was saying, oh, I'm worried if they're going to pay me. I don't know if I should get another, what do they call it? They call it a master account. I said, yeah, I don't know if I should get it. Anyways, I blew those 2 accounts, so I never requested a payout. Topstep's going to get a trade, and what I mean by that. I mean, Topstep might actually be taking an initial short here. What we got going? We got lower lows, lower highs, and higher lows. But we're under VWAP. The algo just went long. Topstep is short. Bulenox will pay, no drama. Yeah, you told me. I remember last time. Well, let me take a short if Topstep goes short. If. That's the big question. Right now, it's pushing higher. So it looks like the algo will have a good trade under its belt. It's got to get up 25 points from the entry. 17 plus 25 is 42. So we got to touch 42. As soon as we touch 42, and then the candle closes. Okay, now on the candle close. Oh, we don't even have it. You guys aren't even watching it. Split screen. Sorry. So there we go. As soon as now, I was going to say, when we touch 42, when the candle closes, it'll exit. So there you go. Apex. I did promote him in the video. Squeeze the shorts for short. For the moment, I think you're trailing effing BS. Bulenox will pay no drama. Smooth highs probably doesn't mean much, but I'm still long on my 100-point stop. It'll screw all the shorts over VWAP at some point just to wash down. Haha, OFT, I will squeeze you. I would buy if shorts start to hold. Well, step one, let's get 2 candle closes over VWAP. Step 2, let's break the initial balance high. ES is showing strength, but NQ is showing a relative weakness. I'm not changing my charts. I think most of the time I'll keep up the split screen. You guys get to see the 1 minute. So, yes, I'm definitely bullish. I'm definitely bullish. When I see this kind of price action here, when we break a swing, a previous swing low by just a few points, and then we go higher, for me, that's bullish. Oh. No. I'm going to take it over here, though. A little bit large, wouldn't you say, Mike? A big boom, yeah, let's get overview up. But ES isn't doing much either, so. Man, Schlamard. Still pushing up into VWAP, huh? Wow, I forgot about the gap fill already. 19,362. Well, there's a fight at VWAP, that's for sure. Yes, it's kind of coming back into time to eat. Stay green. Sounds good, OFT. See you tomorrow. We'll dump off VWAP. If we're going to assume that's a bull flag. Well, then I'm looking for a break of the high of the previous candle. Yep, I agree. And the picture in picture, yeah, it's Heiken Eshi. In the little screen, in the little chart there. Wouldn't that be funny? To the moon in 5 minutes at 11 o'clock. To the moon, Alice. I'm going to wait for a clearer picture. I'm going to sit on my hands. I mean, if I look at the algo is long. Topstep is long. But we're under VWAP. As long as we're under VWAP. No, I'll take longs under VWAP. That's wrong. I don't want to say as long as we're under VWAP, I won't take a long. I'm not going to take a long right under VWAP. So I'm going to go put some hot water in my glass. And I'll be back in a minute. I'm back, and I was right. My cat got into the cookie jar. I wasn't imagining it. If 38 bid can hold, which it just did, I'll get in. I'm in at 37. Let's go to 45. It's 45. Let's get to 52. I got out most. Oh, not trusting it. Am I on? Yeah, I'm on, eh? Okay. I'm going to take a 2-lot here. Let me tell you where my stop will be on this one. It's a little bit longer of a hold. I probably won't hold longer, but 116. It's a goddamn VWAP, you know. It just keeps causing problems. $2.72 is London high. Let's get over initial balance first. Got over VWAP finally, with a bit of a push. Now let's see if we can get over initial balance. My numbers are green, but I'm not happy with my trading today. I hate trading scared. And that's pretty much what I did all day today. Yeah, I saw the on NQ. The London high and the Asian highs were pretty close. I had to look carefully to see if London took out the Asia session highs. The algo is up a shitty 15 points, actually 10 after commissions are taken in. If you hear Mike clicking on the hand thing, let me know. I'll quiet it down. $73. I'm long at 71. I love when I get a better price. Yeah, no, I'm really not. I am really not hanging on here. Not in the mood to trade, guys. Hang on, buddy. No, yeah, I know, but this is when I cause damage, so I'm not feeling it. I'm not in the mood. I'm just letting it go. I got nothing to play with, so I'll just stare into the abyss. Hey, oh, it's true. Hey, no one said, hey, show me your, what? No one said show the accounts. They were, I didn't even have them up. Oh my God. Did you say that because I said it, or you see, I can't even follow the flow of the conversation today. There you go. It shouldn't be because I created them. So unless someone stole them, it doesn't matter though. I don't really care. I'm not a musician. And you're probably right, because I was on an algo stream and they were using one of my songs. They were just playing it over and over and over and over. Yeah, most of them I created. For this one here, I created most of them on Suno. But now I use something called Rifusion, I think it is. Rifffusion. I don't know. Well, the one it's free, and I found it better than Suno anyways for me. Where is it? Music. Yeah, Rifusion. I find the prompts better. I don't know. I just like everything about it better. Well, yeah, I guess, because I mean, I keep them in my profile, and you know, I can see other people's songs. Sometimes I use the prompts for inspiration. You know, I like a song, I'll take it, and you know, that's actually how I created a lot of my Spanish songs, or that Latin mix. I'll hear one on one of the sites, I'll take the prompt, and then I'll change it. So definitely it's out there. Okay, I'll take a 2-lot right over VWAP. Let's see if I can get 10 points. 56. Did I already have the 10 points? Look how slow I am. I think I already had the 10 points. 61. I'll take 62. I'll take 6 points because I'm trading so slow. My head's in the is in La La Land. There we go. 1107. Did we break over VWAP right at 11? Yeah, 11. Well, my Ninja says 1101. Ninja wanted to be different. 1101 on Ninja is 11 for everybody else. You know what I think? Your Apex accounts are looking great. You know what the problem was? One of the major problems, I set myself a target goal of $1,000. And that's a problem. I'm not supposed to trade the balance. I'm supposed to just trade. I'm just thinking about it here now, why I'm off and what was going on in my brain. I'm looking inside, and yep, really the only thing I'm thinking about on every trade is I got to get to $1,000. I'm almost there. I'm 60% or 57% there on both of them. I don't want to screw it up. I don't want to get down to 20. Every decision I'm making is balance oriented. One of the reasons why I'm off today. The other reason why I'm off is because I'm just looking around at too much stuff. Let's see the daily candle. Yeah. I bet if I put a if I put one of my trades on that, it would look pretty stupid. Even after you get 15 points on the daily candle, it probably looks like you're getting out at even. I mean, if you don't have the little box showing. What chip? You want me to draw some fancy trend lines? Let's see what's going on. Let's see if momentum is shifting. Nah, I'm not a 5-minute chart guy. That's the 5 minutes. Look how small they are. You can't really do anything with that. If I were to do one here, it would be exactly like that. Oh, wow. I didn't even notice. Look at that little interesting pattern. That's an H. We're forming an H. Shadow trader. Does he wear a cape? Or a mask? So the algo took a loss. Yes, it happens. Did you hear that? What chip? Everything is kind of short now. Let me tell you what I mean. Top step, short. Algo, short. Trend lines, broken. VWAP, broken. Not saying it's going to go lower. Don't listen to what I have to say. I'm not a financial advisor. Consult a financial advisor. And please read yeah, and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. 90 to 95% of traders lose money. Trade on demo only. I'm going to get a short. Let's see. I'll take it for a 2-lot if I can get a better price. Only if I can get a better price. If I can't get a better price, I'm not taking it. Oh, there's my better price. Not really. 38, 37.50. Close enough. Well, good thing 3 meows are short. Good thing I only took it for 2-lot. Today, since yesterday evening, we kept getting over VWAP by 10, 20, 30 points, staying there for 10, 15 minutes or 20 minutes. No, it's water. It's warm water now. And then getting back under VWAP. Curious to see, although this little pattern here for me is bullish. Can you see it? Yeah. But I can't take a trade. I'm not going to take another trade here right under. What did I take? I took a short. I was under view up. I was good with that. It was a legitimate trade. It was a legitimate setup on the top step charts. I took it for a 2-lot. You know why the cat's angry? Because he opened up the cookie jar and he was eating from it. Now I closed it when I took that break before. He's saying open it up again. ES was over the IB high on the 5-minute chart, closed above it, closed below it, closed above it. Now we might close below it again. Let me put in a small little line here and let's see if we close below. I think we just closed right on it actually. Well, I'd be curious to see if ES closes back inside it. $7, $14, $21, $28, $30, $60. It's a $120 trade. I don't want to take it. Too much. Sorry, guys. I was calculating a trade there. Too much risk. Oh, it was 100. Sorry. Let me qualify that. It was $120 risk on a 2-lot. Too much. 30 points. Whew, it smells. You know what I noticed? I noticed that the cat meows after he uses the litter box. I know that's too much information, but... $7, $14, $21, $28. Yeah, now it's 35 points. It was a short that I was thinking of taking around here with about a 35-point stop, 30-point stop. Well, before it was 28, now it's 35. Wow, I can't believe it's 11 o'clock already. Time flies when we're having fun, eh? Get the percentages on that. Monday typically sets the higher low for the week. Yeah, go see Tom Hugard. He has got percentages on all that. If Wednesday's low doesn't take out Monday's low, you're going to see Monday's low again later in the week. If Friday's low doesn't take out Thursday's low, I don't know why he only deals with the lows and not the highs. Yeah, Tom Hugard has a lot of stats on that. I used to like trading his stats, actually. But they were giving me a bias, and the bias was no good for me. Just Monday. He's got it all. He's worked on everything, this guy. How many times Monday sets the higher low of the week? I'm sure he has it. ICT? No, Tom Hugard. Trader Tom. But Trader Tom, but he doesn't stream on YouTube. He's on, no, Trader Tom. Well, it's a good thing I didn't take that short trade. I would have lost. Saved myself some more money there. Okay. He can claim whatever he wants. Take a look at Linda Raschke. I'm sure she did that research also before he did. No, I can't say I'm sure. That's a very unfair statement. There's a high probability she ran those numbers before he did. I think he used to follow her also. But she's a she's a good one to follow if you know Linda Raschke. I'm going to get a long setup, but Wow, look at that. It's right on VWAP. What a surprise. Linda Raschke has turtle soup in her book. I think when ICT was still in diapers. Just to let you know. Remember, he didn't invent the wheel. All those patterns were in the market before. He just packaged them. I claim the creation of the video chat through. Sparky, what did you do? You see, he ate his cookies and now he stank up the room in the cat litter. Well, I'm not officially long. Top step charts are long at 59. I even had schematics for it. Oh, yeah? I stole it. Sue him. It's a cutthroat world. It really is. I have an insanely good cat toy that I created that I think to myself would sell millions if I would market it. But someone with much better skills than me would copy it and sell the millions, and I would just sell a few dozen. So my cat is the one lucky cat that gets to play with that incredible toy. Not anymore, though. I threw it away. Airbags for childcare. Wow, that's an idea. Problem is, though, the airbags shoot out with such a velocity and such a force, it might kill a child. And I'm not saying that sarcastically. I've seen a few people in real life who got hit with airbags in the face. Yeah, they were wearing glasses, but it wasn't a pretty sight. We're over VWAP. We're back over IB high. I mean, we closed over IB high on the 5-minute chart on ES. I'll just put it up for a second there. Not too long, but yeah, we closed over. We're back over the initial balance high. We're way over VWAP. We're coming up to the London highs. Where's the Asian? Yeah, we're coming up to the London highs on ES. Interesting enough. Oh, they got front run by about like a half a point. However, Nasdaq is nowhere near showing that kind of strength. They get to wear a football helmet. Not the head, it's the neck you gotta worry about. Does anybody know what this solid blue line is? Yeah, Mike, it's the line that you need to delete. Still trying to get up to IB high. Wow, if this isn't a fade trade, I don't know what is. Did you ever see the movie Demolition Man? Sounds familiar, yeah. But if you were to ask me now, even with a gun to my head, what it's about, I wouldn't be able to tell you. And you know what? I'm thinking the wrong movie because I was thinking that blonde kid, Leonardo DiCaprio. Look, I call him a kid. He's probably 65 years old. Anybody know how old Leonardo DiCaprio is? Let's ask ChatGPT. I like him. A lot of people don't like him. I think he's a good actor. I think he's a good actor and he does good movies. He's not my favorite of all time. What? I don't even know where I am on my phone, but you don't pay us a penny until you receive your payout. Seriously. We work on a pay on result basis. Where am I that I'm getting that? It's an ad, but Looks like I'm on YouTube. Guaranteed payouts. I think I'm on YouTube. Because I have, yeah, YouTube. I have a hockey. I watch hockey on my YouTube. Okay, ChatGPT. Where are you? How old is Leonardo DiCaprio? I know I could have typed it in, but I don't feel like it. Leonardo DiCaprio is... Wow, ChatGPT is really taking this long to think about it? Seriously? You don't know that instantaneously? Leonardo DiCaprio was born in 1974, making him 50 years old. That's it! Hey, Joker, we are up. Joker's up and running. Joker, I wanted to ask you something, and I forgot what it was. Do you remember? To be honest with you, I think it was about nutrition. Believe it or not, I'm on a 2-second delay as well. No. Yeah, that would be pretty amazing if you did remember. Demolition Man, Stallone, the car crashes. Instead of an airbag, it's foam. You get frozen in foam. Wow. Well, that's an idea, I guess. Yeah, no, it had to do with either nutrition or water or something. I don't remember what it was, but I was curious about your opinion, and I forgot what it was. Maybe the question was, if I drink more water, will it help my memory? Maybe that was the question. Let's go to... Wow, are you kidding me? I was muted on all that? How was I muted? I didn't even touch it. Gap fill on ES, eh? Just saying. I really have no idea. No. No. Nope, not working out for me, that one. Okay, I'm back. I closed 208. Good job, Woodchip. I took a loss there. There was an entry. Now it got quite a bit of a better price actually. So I took it. It was very low risk. No, sorry. Very high probability that it was going to lose. Maybe I'm even muted. I don't know what's going on here today. No, I'm not muted. Very high probability I got stopped out, but it was like only for good holding. Good job. Only had like a 3 or 4 point stop loss, I think, and had the potential to. Well, there's the IB retest. Wow, and I thought the IB would be a fade trade. See, I was wrong. I'll take a 3 lot here for an IB retest 91. I don't know. I'll let it go to 71. That's quite a bit though. Especially given that NQ is relatively weaker than ES, and ES just bounced off the previous day's highs. Sorry, what am I saying? Actually previous day's low and close. Hey, James. It's been a long time. How's it going? Nice to see you. I should give you a call later. Actually, I will do that. Well, if we break the high of the previous candle, I'll add to this trade, but my stop is 71. Wow, so no fade off the IB high. And the retest trade going long. I want mine barbecue. 70. Okay, out. Off the big breaker. Oh, your chips. No, you got to type in, if you want to play the game, play Beat the Dealer. It's on the top corner there. You got to type in deal me in. Top left corner. Which screen are we on? Oh my god, we're on the 5-minute charts again. Don't want to be there. It's fixed. No kidding, eh? A double flip over. Over the IB. And then back inside. The 5-minute didn't get 2 consecutive closes on the 5-minute chart. One close above and then back in. Yeah, I programmed it. I told you, you have edge. You have edge, wood chip. You win 168, but you only lose 140. And if you tie the dealer, you get 25 to 1. It's not, maybe it's not huge edge, but there's edge. I'm talking again with the mic off. The algo could potentially be taken along here. 22 points is going to be the take profit and the stop loss if the algo goes long. Top step short, we're back inside the IB. $34 seconds still for the candle to close on the algo. Wow, look at the cat go. And 15 seconds. I'll get in early. I always pay the price when I get in early. Let's see if it happens again. Let's see. Boom. What did the algo get in at? 0225. I'm a little bit better. Now we gotta wait a minute. Yahtzee. Now we gotta wait a minute for the algo to print the TP lines and the stop loss lines. $25 more seconds. Two seconds. There we go. There are lines. Which one gets tapped first? Once one of the lines is tapped. How's the algo doing today? Oh, it's down about 17 points, so not having a great day. I'm not having a great day either. The numbers are green, but the trading sucks. We got back over initial balance high, so two candle stop at 184, which is 125 points. Profit if stopped. Good. I was having a great day, but. but. In the last, I gave half back, so I shut down. Yeah, I was at 500 and something on the Apex account. Now that it's up 442, I think it was up 5. I think I was up to 560. I said I was only going to trade 2 lots. Hey, there we go. The algo took profit. I got out early. But then I took a couple of trades for 6 lots or a little bit more. I mean, that's still under what I'm allowed to, even on the conservative side. These accounts can trade 8 lots even with an ad, so up to 16. But I gave back about $100, 20%. I'm closing down at noon. I have a hard stop at noon. We don't have bananas. I want to have bananas for lunch. James, you still there? I don't know why I'm looking to the top left. I said I'd call you later. If I forget, call me, because really my brain's not there today. I'm like on La La Land. So if I forget, give me a call. What time? Between 12 and 12:30 if you can. Touch base, see how you're doing. I'll be back in a few. Hold long and strong. ES is getting back up to the previous day's close. Let's see if we get above the, actually it's the previous day's low and the previous day's close. And NQ is very far away from that. NQ's been relatively weak all day long. Okay, I'm in for a 3 lot. Oh, I thought it got triggered. It looked like it got triggered. Wow, that was one of those fake triggers. Shit, I'm in a trade now that I shouldn't be in. That's a recipe for disaster. There we go, now it's in. Now it's long. Okay, so I'm better, 36, I got 4 points better. A little quick scalp on the momentum over there. Let's see if we can get about another, let's see if we can get to 50 bid. If we get to 50 bid, I'll get out of my last piece. 50 or 50, nah, 50 bid. Other than that, I'm getting out at 29 on the offer. We're closer now to the 50 bid than the 29. Okay, 47. That's good enough. I'm not gonna fight here for 3 points and then have it go all the way down to 29. All I had left from 47 was 3 more points, and down to 29 was 18 points, so it looks like I made the right decision. We got down to 29. How did I know 29? Ah, that's my secret. Look, James, if you're still around drinking water, are you proud of me? As of today, I stopped the coffee during the day. I don't know what that dinosaur is, actually. I put my cursor over it, but it didn't say what it is. Actually, you know what? Are you in the mood to go for coffee today? I could use a break. I'm not in a good mood. I'm not in a good mood. I put too much pressure on myself. I told myself I have to get the Apex accounts up to 1,000 a day. And I put a dollar amount for like 2-3 weeks there. I was trading without thinking about the numbers, and now I'm starting to think about the numbers again. Anyways, let me know if you want to go for coffee. I mean, like I said, I'll try and give you a call. No thinking. No, it's like, no, I shouldn't be taking the money into account. I shouldn't be trading based on balances. I shouldn't be setting daily target, daily profit goals. I was even saying when I created my rule sheet here, is it in the top corner? No, it's not in the top corner. I got my rules there. Also, my risk plan. Part of the risk plan is don't take your balances into consideration for the trades. Don't look at your balance. Don't look at your day's balance, your overall balance. All of that's fun stuff. And I was trading really well, but then I said, you know what? I got to make $1,000 a day in each account. And now I got up to 500, and I'm trading. Since I got up to 500, I was trading scared on every trade. I don't want it to go down. I want to protect the 500. Which is exactly what I'm doing in my trades. Getting out early. Yeah. Oh, no, that's too late for me, too. Actually, I didn't even realize it was 11:46. I thought it was 10:30. In my mind, I figured we would go for coffee at 11:30. See, like I said, my mind's not there today. My head's not screwed on right. Okay, maybe we'll try tomorrow. Let's see if 29 can hold. If 29 bid can hold. 29 bid is holding. I got filled at 28.75. I'll take a 4 lot on this. Let's get up to 35. That's 34, 35. Come on, 35. Push it up to 35. There we go. The next level is 42. There is a 50% chance we see 42 bid. 40. I'll take the 41. That's good enough. Good enough. It served me good last time. I can afford to shortchange myself by a point or two there. Probably up to my high water mark again on this account. Maybe yes, maybe no, don't remember. But I think with that being said, I think I'm going to cut it short. Let me see something.
fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
No, I was muted. Thanks for letting me know.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Let's see if we get a little bull flag here. A little bull flag action. Maybe I can take along on a break of a break at a high of the previous candle. See if we can make a run for London and Asian highs. But I'm only going to take it for a 2-lot because my head's not in the game today. Well, now potentially we can do an IB high retest, but I wouldn't bet on it. I would think we might just take out this little swing low here at 213, maybe get down to 210, and then head higher. I mean, it's anybody's guess, but we broke the slope. If we can get the close below the swing of if we can close below 213, I would put it at a higher probability that we touch the IB high again. That looks like 190, 192, 193. I still have higher highs and higher lows since 11:15, basically. So I gotta say that the bias is still to the long side, and I missed a trade on top step charts. It's up 7 points. It's the story of the day. Hey, look, I can't complain. I'm up 474 in top step. I'm up 576 in Apex and 555 in Apex. That's almost 1,500 for today. So I guess that's a good, for someone being off, that's a good day. Got the break of the high over there. I'm going to take it for a one lot because you know what I'm going to do? I'll take it for one lot. I'm going to use a 3-bar low as the stop. So in 30 seconds, 45 to 16. Really? Oof. That's a lot more points than I thought it was. Let's see what happens now here at 212, 213. Do we wick it or do we close below? If we close below, I'm gone. I'm out of this one. Which means I'm willing to take a one lot here to add to it because the risk is very small. Like I said, if we close below that, I'm gone. Trade's over. That'll be my day. It's after 12. Let's break the high. Let's get into that fair value gap. My dog's losing his mind. Let's get a close. What the hell's going on? Okay, well, I could kind of say I misplayed that one also. I tell you why I misplayed it, because I didn't check my stop. I didn't check my stop properly. It was 30 points. It was too much for me. Anyways, at least we just wicked it and we didn't get a close below and I get stopped out. I was able to minimize the damage. I'm back. Yeah, I'm taking off wood chip, I think. I just screwed up another trade. I'm really not... Family's in Tahoe snow. Hey, cool. That sounds nice. I'm like a hockey player that keeps falling, but yet I'm scoring goals. Yeah, I'll try and call you, James, right before your meeting. It's a phone meeting, or it's you're going out of the house. Nice move up. Nice move up. I'm Timmy TMI. Cote de Liesse. Ah, okay. You're taking off. Okay, so we'll talk tomorrow then, I guess. I'm just gonna rest up. I'm gonna go have breakfast with my boys. They're gonna make breakfast soon. Alex is home, so go spend time with my kids. I'm trading like garbage anyway, so good job. Just the fact that I'm green. Look, I'm not taking bad trades. Hey, is that my wife? I'm not taking bad trades. I'm taking setups. I'm just managing them terribly. Number one. Number three. Today's number three. Yeah, no, I'm doing too much here. I'm trying to trade too many setups. You're right. Today is yeah. Now I just threw in trend lines. I'm trying to beat Tori trades or Tanya trades. I think it's Tori trades. I'm trying to figure out what she's doing. It's driving me nuts. Actually, Matt Diamond also, he trades the flags and stuff. They're not bad. They're good setups. I like them, but the stops are not equal all the time. Sometimes it's 30, sometimes it's 10, sometimes it's 5, sometimes it's 3, sometimes it's 50. That's why I like Renko's. You know, there's such consistency. Say that again? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I mean, I'm good with studying and, you know, trying to revise my setups, my own work. But yeah, I think I'm gonna stop this. Trend line shit. Auto traders in the background and Renko and Height Kaneshi. I don't understand. My mic's on. That's a good thing. Okay, last trade. I'm going to get a setup on Top Step. That's my setup. It's not somebody else's. Let's take it for a 4 lot and see what happens. You got tons of separate things. Yeah, too many. I got to just focus on my own stuff. My own stuff is the algo and the Top Step charts. As I said, I just really selectively chose trades on my Top Step account. And I made an easy 474. My trading was good in Top Step for the most part. There was one part, I think, when I didn't do too well. I did a mismanaged trade, but it's possibly the algo is calling is calling price to roll over here, especially we got a lower high now. I'm not going to be trading off them, but what this is telling me is that first we broke the rising trend line, but now we're under the descending. We got anyways, most importantly, we got a lower swing high. So I think the probability of revisiting the initial balance high it's a higher probability now. No, it wasn't really a pennant the way I drew it because we already broke. I had it like this. So we're gone. We're under the rising trend line. So that called the reversal early, potentially. And now with the lower swing high, plus the algo is short bias and top step now is short bias. Does it mean anything? No, but they're all aligned. I guess that's when you should be swinging the bat, or not you, sorry, I don't mean that. That's when I should be swinging the bat. This is not financial advice. This is entertainment only. Consult a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. When I said the word you, I just meant like globally me. I was talking in general terms about my trading. Swinging the bat at the piñata. Well, if I get a short now, long 206, you know what? That's not a bad trade because now it's a bounce off, potential bounce off the IB high again. Problem is ES. ES is closing back inside the, back under the previous day's close. We didn't hold above it. That was a fade trade. Oh my God. No, it's true. Yeah. I was going to say it hit the previous day's low also, and that is a fade trade, but I don't do it in the ES. No, you would Chip, you're right. London high has not yet been touched. But right now with ES going back down and not being able to get above the previous day's close. Let's see what happens here at the IB high. I ate a massive chicken dinner last night. I feel like I could fast all day. Yeah, we had chicken yesterday too. I think I told you my wife made some kind of chicken pasta. It was very good. Chicken pasta with cream. No, not the IB high is not acting as support or resistance at all. It's just blowing through it every time. It blew through it to the upside, blew through it to the downside, blew through it to the upside, and now we're blowing through it to the downside. Not even hesitating. Spiral noodles. No, paninis? I don't know. Paninis? Pennies? like little tubes. Like take a straw and cut it in 1-inch pieces. Wow, look at that dump. Penne, yeah, that's it. Penne regate. That's what it said on the thing. To be honest with you, I don't even know why I'm still here. To be honest with you, I got the 2 Apex accounts that are not going anywhere. At what point was I? You can do fresh pasta with flour and an egg. That sounds difficult. Don't you need a machine to make pasta, or do you think I can do that? Where are you? The camera's here. You know, that stretching and pulling and a rolling pin. 6 people are watching. What? I can do fresh pasta with an egg because 6 people are watching? You mean if 6 people aren't watching, I can't do pasta? Then slice it thin. Yeah, I saw a show once on them making it. It looks way too difficult. You know what's easy? Going to the grocery store. It's good enough. I'm not a picky eater. I mean, I am a picky eater. I picked out all the spinach. I ate it, but I picked it all out. It doesn't belong in pasta with me. I ate it. PW was on a red streak. Big deal. He doesn't care. He doesn't care. Look, everyone goes through it anyways. There's no technique or system that's not going to get you going through a red streak. Look at, probably doing a purpose to get... Look at last week, the worst week ever. I started tracking opening drive and it had its worst week ever. What a surprise. Hey, Joker. Yeah, I was on. I was watching. I should be calling it a day also. I've been mismanaging almost every trade. Yeah, I heard 21 to 29K a day in affiliate money. He can afford to have someone come to his house and make him fresh pasta. What was I saying though? Yeah, I'm a short one today with my issue, but I'm good. You know what, Joker? I noticed that, remember you said doing I think it's called a window capture. Let me just get to my sources here. Application audio capture. The application audio capture, I find it's not... actually, that and window capture, the two of them, they're not stable in OBS, so he can blow 100 accounts easy and not worry. Yeah, it's good hustle on his part, laughing all the way to the bank. Yeah, it's not, I don't know about your OBS, but it's not stable in my OBS. And what do I mean by not stable? It's like the name changes every time you open and close your what do you mean? They work for me. They worked for me, like, but okay, you see right now I have what do you call it? A window capture for my account data, right? So it's all working. I can open, I can close it, no problem. If I were to close Ninja and reopen it, hold on a second. If I were to close Ninja and reopen it, it wouldn't pick up that window anymore. I would have to go into properties and select the window. Give me a second. Yeah. Did I put my mic back on? Yes, I did. Yeah, it's stable once you set it, but I find it odd that it disappears because the name is the same. Like right now, hold on, let me see if I can, let me go into the properties. Yeah, it went away. I had ninjatrader.exe account data, but I had two. I had two of them. Now one of them is gone. Anyways, it doesn't even mean it's happening on yours. Maybe it's happening just on mine. But I find it like, I found it odd that I loaded Ninja, I loaded OBS, and all of a sudden my account data wasn't showing. I was actually thinking that that might have been the cause of your problem. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to display capture. I like display capture. I don't have to update OBS every time. I'll keep the for the co-stream. I'll keep the two cameras there from Discord. I'll keep that as a window capture. Because it's clear and it's only one thing to change. And the funny thing is, you know what? I don't think I have to change it. It seems to keep grabbing it out of Discord. It might be just a Ninja issue. It might be just a NinjaTrader issue. Whatever window I'm capturing, window, not display, whatever window I'm capturing from NinjaTrader, maybe it renames them. Anyways, I was thinking maybe even that was part of the issue you had today. What was it that OBS was hanging on? Is it easy to explain, like in 15 seconds of typing, or it's a long story? If it's a long story, forget it. Do I take one more trade? We got under initial balance. Made two. Lower lows. Back over initial balance. I don't know. Initial balance is kind of acting like view up now. We're flipping on both sides of it. I guess if we can get over that, if we can get over that trend line that I drew in, the algo goes long. Top steps long. Maybe I'll try and take one more long trade, but we are in noon, and I do recall taking trades at noontime in the past and saying, why did I do that? Why am I trading during the noon hour? My accounts are kind of nicely green. I'm not going to trade on my topstep account anymore. That was a good day for topstep, actually. If we can get a higher swing low, I'd be inclined to think now that we're going to make the run for the London highs at 270. 270-ish.
On a plate.
Yep. Hold on, let me just make sure the mic is off. Okay. Everything is kind of switching over to a bullish bias over here. Let's take a look at the 5-minute charts. Well, on the 5-minute chart, we didn't close inside the initial balance, so we don't have a failed auction yet. The one thing that I was discouraged about was the fact that ES didn't manage to stay above the previous day's close. But we've gotten back up there. We're getting back up to US session highs in both cases. In ES, wow, ES is quite a bit stronger. Let me just take a trade for a 3 lot if I get an entry. And then I think that'll be it. Okay, I'm filled at 2250. I was up 30 on a 3 lot. That's usually where I like to take profits. Assuming if we're 10 times the size, good luck, long for life. If we're not 10 times the size. I can't tell you how much I hate when I try to get out on the offer and it doesn't work out. There we go. Lighten the risk a little bit. Let me see 29 on the bid. 26, 24, 23. That was a rapid wrong way. Joker, you there? I will tell you. Yeah, it shows that he's still in the room. There we go. I wanted to get up to 29. Take one more out. And I think my last piece I'll take out at 30, 36. We do have a lower swing high again. But we can still get to 36, 30, 31. I like when we blow through them. Where I try for 36 and instead of getting out early at 34, before I have a chance to click, it's at 42. Well, I'm only long on one lot, so 36 would be what? It would be 14 points? No, yeah, 14 points. 14 points is not bad. Not good, but not bad. Not bad for a noontime scalp. You know, I'm always here on your stream, but now I'm in a trade on the channel. I'm getting in on a trade. I'm in a trade on the channel. This chat account. Should I add one here? Just for the, not for the, nope. Before I said it, top step looks like it's going to stop out. Top step stops out. Yeah, I'm back into the 50. Oh, are you talking PW? I don't know who's he. Joker? Because you were asking if Joker was in the room. Okay, that didn't work out. It only went for 7 points. I guess they can't all be winners, right? I treaded water there. Luna! Well, you didn't mention it. Or maybe you did. Nah, I took a... Oh, shit. It went long again. Look at that. Wow, that was friggin' fast. I have to get in at 29 before it goes to 36. Otherwise, I gotta let it go. Give him props, and he may do the same. Okay, well, now I know what you're talking about. I can go back now. Oh! I didn't even see it. I just read, hey, Joker, you there? I'm in a trade on Luna's chat account. I didn't see that. I was so lost. You know I'm always here on your stream, but now I'm in a trade on the channel. Okay, I got it. Got to switch it, no problem. It's chat. You go, have a good time. He lets chat trade one account. Don't lose profits. Luna trades. Give him props, and he may do the same. Go Luna. Damn, I got stopped out, really, and now it goes. Anyways, it is what it is. Oh, don't need those anymore. We broke those. We broke those. Top step is long, so if I were to read price action, well, and I'm a short-term scalper. Okay, give him props. Shout out to Luna Trades. Whoever's in my room, go to his room, hit the subscribe and like button. Go support his channel. Go flood his account. Okay, my mic is off again. Wow, that's like happening a lot. I'm actually wondering. Remember yesterday how my camera just moved on its own? I don't remember this. Like, there's no way that I'm closing the mic that often. I find it on. I was saying that it is my brother's birthday today. Happy birthday, Danny. Number 1. Number 2, shout out to Luna Trades. Anybody in my room here? Go tell him that go on his channel and hit the subscribe and the like button. Go support his channel a little bit. And I think it's time to quit, even though we're probably making a nice run now that we've gotten over the London highs. I bet what Chip called the long, if I were to say. And now, what's next? Next stop, 357. Previous day's close. Previous day's low. ES is over it. We're on the split screen with the 3 charts. You guys can easily see it. But I'm done. It's enough. It's 12:30, and I got a couple of things to do, and I think this was longer than I should have been here. I'm lucky to have left, to be leaving with those kinds of numbers. I'm not stupid. I know that for a fact. Hit the like and subscribe. I'll be back tonight. Co-streaming with Joker Trades at 7 p.m. So if you guys have an opportunity, show up, say hi. And if not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for showing up. Have a good day. Trade safe.